Hi, welcome back to learning how to use Demiks school management software. Today we are going to learn how to enroll new students and how to manage invoices. The Invoices icon on your left-hand menu is a simple bill management system to keep track of students and their payments. Click on this icon and usually this would be empty with no data when you first get to it, and you will go to the Add New Item icon. The first thing you will do here is go to Add New Student. Here you will input the student's information, including the source from which the student came to your school. This particular student wants a TFAC prep course. They are a beginner. They're a full-time student, so they said that they want to take evening classes. So next time you go to their profile, you will remember this so that when you contact them, you know what you're doing. Press save. You will now input the invoice number of the student. So for example, we'll say this is number 1, as well as the day that they would like to start classes. You could click the small calendar icon to navigate finding the date easily, right here. So they would like to start on Monday, September 2nd. The next thing to do is use the drop-down menu under Program to place a student into the course that they want to take classes for. So the student wants TFAC preparation. Next to this is quantity, which indicates how much of the service they want based upon the unit of measurement you choose while setting up the course. For example, if the unit of measurement is in weeks and the student wants 3 weeks, you will type in 3 under quantity. Now the item price was already inputted when you set up this course, and the total price is automatically calculated by the software. However, there are 2 things that should manually be inputted, which is first any discounts that the student gets. So for example, let's give them a $20 discount and tax is $50. If the student wishes to take more than 1 course, you can go right under Program to Add New Line and do the same thing. However, the student only wants to take 1 course, and so we will just delete the second line. Now, don't forget to click Save from your toolbar. Great. Let's go back to the list for 2 seconds. Alright, so we want to deal with Linda Rye. Here, one of the most important aspects of this page is on the top right-hand corner, the invoice status and the payment status. So the invoice status right now says draft, so they have not confirmed yet that they are going to be in a course and they have not paid. So the first thing to do is, if you are 100% sure that the student has confirmed to be in this program, you can click the confirm invoice, and that will change draft to confirmed. Now, under payment status, to deal with this, you would go to the dollar icon to register a payment. Here, you can also put partial payments or full payments. So let's say they're going to start by paying $600 and they paid us in cash. Click register. Now it says here partially paid. So if you go back to the list, now it says Linda Rye is confirmed and she is partially paid. So what these icons mean here is, if it's a yellow check mark, it means that it's a draft. And the double purple check mark means that the student is confirmed. Then a red outline star means nothing has been paid. A half filled in purple star is partially paid, and a full purple star means that they have paid. So Say Linda's partially paid, she's confirmed, she needs to pay the rest. We can click on her name. Okay, we would like to send her an email. Now, for emails, you can choose whether or not you want to request payment for this invoice, but Linda still has to pay, so let's say request payment. So we want the rest of the fee. You can edit it, what you want to send, and then you just click send. Okay. Now let's just say she paid the rest with cash again. Now, down here under payments, it is documented when she paid. We can go back to the list, and now it says Linda is confirmed and she is paid. Now, if you go to the students icon right below invoices, you will see the same list of students that you had put in under invoices. There are two options here. You could click on their name to edit their profile, or if they are a returning student who wants to enroll in an additional class, you could click New Invoice. Here we have all their information, what they are enrolled in. Under class, you can assign them to the class, but we will go into further detail about that in a following video. We have documents of payments and when the student was created. So now we have all these icons. You can add a new activity. Say there was a phone call. You and the student talked about wanting an evening TFAC course. Save. Now that's also documented in the history, what happened during this phone call and the date. You can add a reminder. You can say remind me to follow up with Linda. Click save. If you are looking for your notifications of your reminders, you would just go to dashboard, and up at the top of the screen here is all of your reminders. You have two options. You can postpone this or dismiss it. So for example, I'm going to postpone it till Friday. Click postpone. We will continue with putting students into classes next time. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.